You constructed a financial fortress over for decades of precise calculation. Now, it is quietly hemorrhaging capital. The architecture of your retirement is built on an obsolete schematic. The standard DIY illusion. Within 60 months, the compound effect of static planning will critically fracture your total asset base. This is not a temporary market fluctuation. It is a mathematical certainty of uncalibrated wealth distribution. You believe you are preserving capital by eliminating management friction. You are actually accelerating systemic decay. The average self-directed plan is a fragile construct. It shatters upon contact with complex economic realities. Inflation does not announce its presence. It simply rewrites the structural purchasing power of your entire legacy. You assume control by managing your portfolio yourself. True control is complete isolation from systemic volatility. Every financial decision made in isolation carries an invisible penalty. The compounding tax of cognitive bias. Your current extraction model accounts only for expected variables. Generational wealth is destroyed by the unprecedented. Consider the tax implications of liquidating your assets in the incorrect sequence. It is a silent confiscation. A self-managed portfolio relies on a dangerous assumption. The assumption that your cognitive precision remains static indefinitely. It will not. Neurological efficiency shifts. And financial markets prey on the slightest delay in execution. The DIY strategy ignores the velocity of modern regulatory changes. Your tax mitigation tactics are already outdated. You are playing a high-stakes game of wealth preservation, using a rulebook printed 10 years ago. Healthcare capital requirements are expanding at an exponential rate. Your spreadsheet uses a linear projection. When the biological cost of aging intersects with a market downturn, the depletion curve becomes a cliff. Sequence of returns risk is the apex predator of the self-managed retirement account. It hunts the unprotected, drawing down principal during a contraction phase. This act permanently severs the regenerative capacity of your wealth. The damage is mathematically irreversible. You cannot outturn a structural flaw in your withdrawal architecture. The illusion of competence is the most expensive psychological blind spot for the affluent adult. You spent your life building systems for your business. Yet your personal wealth operates without a fail-safe. An optimized wealth protection system requires algorithmic precision, not emotional intuition or historical guesswork. You must construct an independence architecture, a framework that insulates your capital from your own biological aging. This means implementing dynamic withdrawal strategies, systems that auto-adjust based on real-time macroeconomic indicators. It requires structural integration, aligning your estate planning directly with your daily liquidity protocols. A true system operates without your constant supervision. It protects you from the necessity of daily intervention. Have you noticed subtle changes in your cognitive precision during complex tasks? Share your observations below. If your wealth requires your daily attention to survive, you do not own a portfolio, you own a job. A job that pays less every year as cognitive fatigue inevitably begins to scale. The wealthiest individuals do not manage their money. They manage the architects who build their financial systems. They understand that capital longevity is a function of structural design, not individual stock selection. The DIY approach is a liability disguised as autonomy. It is an exposure to catastrophic systemic failure. You are exposed to the invisible friction of inefficient tax harvesting, bleeding percentage points annually. You are exposed to the liability of unsecured digital assets, vulnerable to sophisticated extraction protocols. You are exposed to the catastrophic cost of sudden mobility loss, forcing liquidation for unoptimized care. Smart living systems are not luxury upgrades. They are baseline requirements for the defense of your capital. Retrofitting an environment for cognitive continuity prevents the sudden hemorrhage of funds to institutional care facilities. Every dollar spent on proactive physical infrastructure preserves $10 of your liquid market assets. This is the strategic perspective, viewing your physical environment and your financial portfolio as a single integrated entity. If one fails, the other is immediately drained to compensate for the structural weakness. Your current DIY plan treats these as separate domains. That is why it will fail within 5 years. It lacks the connective tissue of a holistic defense mechanism. It is fundamentally blind to compounding vulnerabilities. To survive the modern economic landscape, Your wealth must be weaponized against decay. It must be structured in irrevocable trusts. Shielded from predatory litigation and unnecessary probate friction, it must be automated, removing the biological variable of human error from the execution of the strategy. It must be resilient, designed to absorb macroeconomic shocks without requiring a reduction in your lifestyle bandwidth. This level of sophistication cannot be assembled on a weekend. It requires specialized cognitive deployment. By continuing to operate as the sole manager of your capital, you are the single point of failure. A single point of failure is unacceptable in any high-level operational system, especially your own survival. The 5-year depletion window is closing. The mathematical realities of your current trajectory are solidifying. You have a finite window to transition from a static DIY plan to a dynamic wealth protection system. The cost of this transition is fractional. The cost of remaining static is total systemic collapse. Observe your current asset allocation. Recognize the silent vulnerabilities engineered into your own design. The highest form of intelligence is recognizing the limits of your own operational capacity. Delegate the mechanics of preservation. Reclaim the cognitive bandwidth required for pure high-performance living. Do not let an obsolete DIY blueprint dismantle a lifetime of calculated accumulation. The preservation of your legacy requires immediate structural intervention. The clock is already running. Comment the word architect below to receive the blueprint for cognitive and financial continuity. Subscribe to protect your most valuable asset, your cognitive longevity. Disclaimer: the information provided is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial or legal advice. Consult a qualified professional before making any strategic asset decisions.